guys, and welcome back to another episode of Lockdown Videos. Hope you are all keeping safe and staying at home. Today we are going to be making a simple balloon colon which can be used for all events. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on all our social media pages. So we'll start by blowing our balloons. We are blowing them in pairs and turning them into a double balloon. In case you don't know what a double balloon is, you can check out my previous video to know how we make double balloons. I'll leave the link here. So I'm blowing the balloons and turning them into double balloons. I'm done with the white balloons and I'm moving on to the mold. So I'm going to be doing same for it. I blow the balloons, then I tie a knot to turn them into double balloons. So these are my double balloons. I got 6 for the violet and 8 for the white. Now I'm going to be turning the double balloons into a quad. Yes, so 4 balloons. So I just take the double balloons and put them together, then I have my quad. So I'll be turning all the double balloons I've blown out into quads. So these are my quads. I got 3 for the violet and 4 for the white ones. So now I'm done with my quads and I'm moving on to the next stage. I'll be using my fish line, my scissors, and my balloon weight in this process. The balloon weight actually gives weight to the balloon in order for air not to blow it away when you are using it for an outdoor program. So now I'll begin by attaching the balloon weight to my base. So I've taken 1 quad and I'm attaching the balloon weight to it to give it weight in order for it not to fly around. So as you can see, I'm adding the weight to my base. This will be the base for my column. Now I'm taking some of the fish line, which I'll be using to tie my balloon as I go on with the process. So your fish line shouldn't be too long or too short. It should just be the right length. Depending on the length of your colon, you need more of the fish line. So to continue, I'm going to be placing each quad on each other as seen in the video. So I'm placing my white on my violet quad. Then I use the fish line to go all around it to fasten it on each other. I'll be doing this till all my quads are placed on each other to get my colon. So you should get something like this. Your white seated nicely on your violet quad. So this is what I have now, but I'm still adding more quads because I want my colon to be long. So I'm adding more quads to the colon. The more quads you add, the longer your colon becomes. Right, I'm using just 2 colors, violet and white. But you can use as many colors as you want and arrange it anyhow you want it. Now I'm done with my colon. I'm going to be setting that aside and blow my 4 balloon. I'll be using this 4 balloon to finish off the colon. It will be the topper for the colon. So I'm going to go ahead and blow it. There's a happy birthday 4 balloon I had lying around, so I decided to use it. So now I'm done blowing it, placing my colon back and attaching the topper to it. I'm attaching it using the fish line. So I'll be using the fish line on the 4 balloon and on the other balloons to tighten it and fit it perfectly on it, as seen in the video. So yeah, I'm done now. This is how my column is looking like. You can use this for your parties and other events. It's quite simple to do, I believe. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share to all your social media platforms. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on another video. Bye.